So here we go. This is all of our Hug for Happiness that are going to the Appalachian Ministries in Kentucky. I wanted to wait for the very last shipment of hugs, so I have 66 altogether that have been sent in. I know these are going to make the kids really happy, and I really appreciate everyone who submitted these, and I just wanted to let you know that these were going to be going off, and they should be receiving them next week. I don't know if this bag is going to hold them all. Let's see. Okay, we got them to fit in there, and then I have a little card I'm going to fill out, and I'm going to place it in here, and then off they go. So let's pack it up nice and tight. I'm so excited to send these out. Appalachian Ministries is a great organization. I used to sponsor a little girl named Megan from there, and she's probably grown up by now because it's been a while. But they are a very good organization who does a lot for their community. So here we go. It's all addressed and ready to go in the mailbox. They should have it by next week. Thank you again, everybody, for sending me all of these hugs, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget that the next Hug for Happiness giveaway, the drawing ends on June 1st. And that will be benefiting the hospice center in my area. And I'll link the details for that down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Check it out. I have a new Patreon tier for only $2 a month. Go to patreon.com/Crojo Corner. If you have trouble sleeping, check out my new channel, Soul Candy Cafe. Rain sounds and meditation music to help you sleep.